Long day, let's dinner take care of you tonight. Let's head over to 𝗵𝗵𝗄𝗶𝗺𝗄, where comfort meets flavor. Craving for something bold? Their Assam laksa is a must to try. It's rich, tangy, and absolutely satisfying. You can go for slow braised pork rice or their mee too, tender, savory, and soul-warming. Fancy a twist? Their spaghetti bolognese bring cozy Italian swipes to your plate. And your meal with their red bean dessert, simple, sweet, and satisfying as well. From heritage favorites to modern comfort, every bite is made with heart.